Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we will start with our next topic, that is Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev, he was a scientist. In the year 1869 he categorized and classified the elements into separate 8 groups and 6 periods. He proposed a law. In his law he said that all the physical and chemical properties of elements, they are the periodic function of the atomic weights. Means if any element is showing the similar particular behavior with another element, that is due to the atomic weight. Now in his periodic table 63 elements he classified and only 63 elements were discovered during that time. His particular table that was having great, we can say, merits, because he was the only one scientist during that time who was able to classify the elements in the form of a table, and his work was greatly appreciated during that time. Now in his work, what he did, first of all, classification of the elements in the form of tables. Similar elements, they were arranged in one sequence, then followed by next, then next, and so on. Along with that, what he did, he left some gaps, like this one, this element gallium and this germanium. They were not discovered during that time, but here he left some gaps, just like here one gap is there in the first series of 4th period, 3rd group, 3rd A group. Gap is there, here also gap was there. So he knew that in the near future or in the coming future, elements will be discovered and they will be arranged here only. Means he predicted the properties of those elements. Next, what he did, he corrected the atomic masses of some elements like platinum and gold. Their properties, their atomic weights, they were corrected. Now these were some, we can say, merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. But along with the merits, it had many drawbacks also, demerits also. What were those demerits? First of all, hydrogen. Hydrogen, we know it's having dual nature. It is electronegative as well as it is electropositive. So the arrangement of hydrogen in the first group, that was pretty, we can say, not pretty good, because it resembles in its properties with these very elements also, with this halogens also. So the position of hydrogen was not fixed in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Next, what he did, he did not took into account the isotopes, because his periodic table was entirely based on atomic mass. So we know isotopes, they are having different masses, so they also need to be classified here, but no isotopes, they were classified. Then next, he even classified the elements in a wrong sequence. Nickel, it is having less mass in comparison to cobalt, so nickel should be in front of, or it should be in place of cobalt, and cobalt should be in place of nickel. So that was wrong here. Then he also categorized the elements in wrong sequence, like here we know lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they are alike, they are similar, their properties are totally similar, they are known as alkali metals. But along with the alkali metals, some other elements like copper, silver, gold, they were placed. So that was wrong, because their properties are totally different from these elements. Similarly, zinc, cadmium, mercury, they were placed along with the other group elements, so that was also wrong. So in this way, his particular periodic table, that has many drawbacks, and hence it was discarded later on, and it was accepted later on that atomic number is only the basic criterion for classification of elements.